Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 26 June 2025, Nifty index opened gap up by more than 100 points on account of easing geopolitical tensions. The index was afloat above 25,150 for most part of the day and gradually escalated northwards. It crossed 25,250 and closed with gains of around 200 points. It formed a bullish candle of a daily frame and has been forming higher lows from the last 4 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 5% to 13 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.13. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,700 to 25,700, while immediate range is in between 25,000 to 25,400. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,306 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,018 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 23.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,150 for an up move towards 25,500, while support can be seen at 25,100 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,500 for the next up move towards 57,000 levels, while support can be seen at 56,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in MCX, Birlasoft, Titan, TVS Motor and M&M, while some weakness could continue in Chambal Fertilizer, Petronet, Oil India and Vedanta. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.